In today's AI-driven world, machine learning is more than a buzzword. It's the backbone of innovation. But how do you build the skills that will make you stand out? Here's where you step in. Machine learning using Python is the game-changing program that will take you from beginner to industry-ready expert. And we are about to show you exactly how. So whether you're new to coding or looking to upskill for a career in AI, data science, or machine learning, we have got a proven path to help you master the most in-demand skills in tech today. So why learn machine learning with Python right now? Number one, AI is the future. The demand for machine learning professionals is skyrocketing as industries integrate AI into their operations. Number two, Python is a foundation. It's the programming language driving machine learning, AI, and data science forward. Next, real-world experience matters. Learning theory is important, but applying machine learning models to solve real-world problems is what gets you hired. Machine learning isn't just a tech trend, it's here to stay. The world needs professionals like you who can build, train, and deploy machine learning models. So if you want to unlock the doors to high-paying, exciting career opportunities, now is the time to act. Over the years, we have helped over 45,000 individuals like you to achieve the results and career boost they were aiming for. We have helped people just like you, including Shrija, who transitioned from a non-technical role into AI/ML and landed an offer in just few months. Nazif Hanan got a job offer in less than 3 months. SJ, she not only got her salary doubled, but her husband also got a job offer. Arpit got a new job with almost 100% salary hike. And Aparna grabbed 3 new job offers, and so many of them are there like this. So throughout this program, you'll gain hands-on experience with some of the most powerful AI and machine learning tools used by industry professionals today, including Scikit-learn for building machine learning models and data pre-processing, XGBoost for efficient and scalable decision tree boosting, PyTorch and TensorFlow for deep learning model development, K-means clustering for clustering and segmenting data, PCA and TSNE for dimensionality reduction and data visualization, linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, SVM, random forest, and KNN for supervised learning algorithms. Now, what all will you learn throughout this program? Number one, Python programming, from basics to advanced concepts, then data analysis and visualization. So you'll master pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn for data manipulation and exploration. Then you'll move on to supervised and unsupervised learning, where you will learn algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, K-means, random forest, SVM, and more. Then you'll move on to deep learning, where you'll build neural networks and work with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And finally, real-time projects, where you will work on house price prediction, Bitcoin price forecasting, customer churn, and many more. Now, why should you join this program and why will this program work for you? Number one is, of course, hands-on learning. Forget endless theory. We focus on real projects so you gain practical job-ready skills. Next, live interaction. Weekly sessions with Atul and industry experts to guide you every step of the way. And then real-world projects. You'll work on practical projects that demonstrate your machine learning capabilities to future employers. And step-by-step learning path. From basic Python skills to deploying machine learning models, you will go through a structured learning journey. Now let's move on to who all will get benefit from this program. So this program is perfect for beginners and professionals alike who want to build a strong foundation in Python programming and machine learning. So whether you are an individual with basic programming knowledge who want to learn Python and machine learning from scratch, or professionals seeking to enhance their data analysis and machine learning skills, or if you're developers looking to expand your expertise in Python and build machine learning based solutions, or if you're professionals aiming to pivot into the high demand field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, or if you're passionate individuals looking to solve real world problems using data analysis and machine learning techniques. So this isn't a theory-heavy course. You'll apply Python and machine learning hands-on skills in real-world scenarios so you can confidently show it as a proof of concept at an enterprise level. And now I would like to clear some of the frequently asked questions that we hear all the time. First one, do I need coding experience or knowledge for this course? No, you can start as a beginner. Our foundational modules will help you build your coding skills before diving into machine learning and AI concepts. Next, is this program suitable for someone coming from cloud engineering, data science, or IT operations background? Absolutely. Whether you come from cloud, data science, or IT operations, this program will help you upskill in machine learning by teaching you how to apply AI/ML techniques to real-world problems. Next question we often hear is, I am a developer with coding experience. How will this program help me transition into AI/ML? So even experienced developers can benefit greatly. We start with foundational knowledge and progressively build your skills through mentorship, hands-on projects, and practical labs, preparing you well for roles in AI and machine learning. Next question is, I am from a non-technical background. Can I still pursue AI machine learning roles through this program? Yes, many learners without prior technical experience have successfully transformed into AI and machine learning roles after completing our program. So we start with basics and gradually advance to complex concepts with full support. And then we get asked, how will this program help me become a machine learning engineer? You'll gain essential skills to build, train and evaluate machine learning models using Python and key libraries like Pandas, NumPy and Scikit-learn. So through real-world projects and labs, we'll gain practical experience to confidently step into machine learning engineering roles. So if you're ready to become a machine learning expert, now is your chance. We are offering a special price for a limited time, so you can click the link given in the description below to enroll now and grab the special offer price. Note, offers are valid only until the seats are filled, so hurry up now.